Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pyromaniacs. This is my lighter collection here. All of these. You got your refillable gas, Zippo fluid. This is the first one. It's a guitar. Can you light it? When you turn it, it flames up and the lights go on. Got the Statue of Liberty. Pretty cool.
Two normal D Jeeps.
Yeah, two normal D Jeeps. They're not that cool. Got this, got it from the dollar store. And at the bottom, there's a neon light. Another one, my torch lighter. Press the button over there and it lights up. This is my favorite one, the gun. It's really strong. Got my car. I'm not sure the color.
Doesn't really work that much.
Yeah, kind of a cheap piece of crap. Just a lady on a lighter. It's alright.
Tiger.
It's my Zippo. My other lighter, my other Zippo, me and my friend got double. It's the exact same one. It might not light though, because it's kind of out of fluid. And yeah, that's it from, oh yeah, and then the one we did the last two videos in, one of my torch lighters. Yeah, this is my lighter collection. Hope you liked it. Comment and subscribe. Thanks.